Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to the Ferrari of the small crossover world. This is the 2013 Kia Sportage Turbo. And with Toyota doing away with the 6-cylinder model and Subaru sticking a CVT on their Forester XT Turbo, this is the fast car of the bunch. And it's red. But Nathan said he's got something that's just as fast, Nathan.
Yeah!
Nathan, they have the same engine.
No, I have 4 horsepower more.
Yeah, but bigger.
Seriously, dude?
No, the car, not you.
A little bit bigger.
Coming up next on the Fast Lane Car. Nathan, I told you, they're the exact same engine.
No, they're not. The Santa Fe makes 264 horsepower.
All right, so the Sportage 260, but they're all-wheel drive.
Yeah.
And they're made by the same company, basically.
And they put out 269 pound-feet of torque.
Which, of course, begs the question, which one is faster? And I am willing to bet that my beautiful red Sportage is faster. She is a jealous, fast machine. So I will bet you what?
I've got it. The loser has to kiss the winner's engine.
I thought you were going to say ass.
Well, I was going to say ass, but I realized this is a family show. We don't want to say ass too many times.
All right, fair enough. 0 to 60 coming up next. And get ready to pucker, because she is a lover, not a fighter.
You want to borrow some chapstick?
In the Sportage, the 2-liter turbo gets 22 miles to the gallon combined, and for my $32,400 as tested dollars, the Sportage gives you about every creature comfort, including heated and cooled driver's seat, a heated passenger seat, locking differential, hill descent control, a huge sunroof, and of course, a Ferrari red color that'll kick Nathan's ass.
This is a better vehicle, and I'll tell you why. The Santa Fe gets 21 miles per gallon combined. Okay, that's one less than Roman's, but this is a larger vehicle that's more luxurious, and for $35,925 as tested, I think you get a crap load of stuff for the money and a pretty good luxury package.
So what don't you have that the Sportage doesn't have, Nathan?
All right, check this out.
Hello.
That's luxury, bitch.
All right, and why aren't we reviewing them today?
We're not reviewing these today because, folks, we've already reviewed both vehicles, and you can find them at tflcar.com. You know why I think this heavier Hyundai is faster? I'll tell you why. Because I think I have better tires. That actually helps quite a bit. All right, so here we go, 0 to 60. Eat my dust! Eat my dust, that thing's go! You feel the turbo kick in, but it only really seems to get meaty after about 3,700 or so RPM. Oh. Run 1. That's, yeah, not what I wanted. Thought I'd go faster, like a second faster. I'll show you folks. 10.23. Round 2. Let's do this again. 0 to 60, baby. I'm going to torque the engine a little bit, try to get the turbo spooling up. Manual mode sucks in this thing. that's already better. That's already better. Come on. Come on, you lovely Korean car, you. Come on. I don't want to kiss his engine. That's better. That's a lot better. Woo! I still think he might be able to beat me. Let me show you guys what I got. This is what Roman's gonna have to beat. 9.74.
All right, what was your time?
On my second run, 9.74.
Oh, dude, get ready to pucker, man.
Oh, no.
Oh, yeah.
I have better tires.
Get ready to pucker, put on that lip gloss. All right, guys, here's my first run. Keep in mind that we are a mile above sea level, that I am lighter than Nathan, both the car and myself, and I'm just gonna floor it and see how it does. 9.74, here we go. Oh yeah, that already feels faster. And here comes 60 right there. 8.42. 8.42, so that's a second faster than Nathan's big behemoth. All right, here we go again. Just for fun, this is like taking candy away from a baby. Give it a little bit of gas. Oh yeah. There's the turbo coming on. Here comes 50, and here comes 60. Oh, a little bit slower that time. 8.69, 8.69. So yeah, 8.42, a second and change faster than Nathan. Like I told you guys, this by far is a Ferrari of the small SUV crossover world.
Alrighty, Tex, how fast were you?
All right, let me show you, my man. Can you read that? Take a look.
Just get a little clip. Wait a minute, is that? Oh, that's. Oh, that one. That's. Oh, that's. That was it.
I'm opening the hood.
Oh no!
The hood.
Oh, I don't want to do that. Oh man! Ah!
Oh, come on, keep going.
Oh, you didn't tell me to make out with it.
How's it taste, Nathan?
It tastes terrible. Let me stop. Come on.
No. We're proving a point here that smaller and lighter is what?
Better.
As always, this is Roman
And Nathan.
saying so long for the fast lane car. And remember to do what, Nathan?
Subscribe for new videos every single day.
And of course, love your car like we do. Thanks for watching. Hey, can you start to feel the weight after about 60 there? It just
it's
slows down.
around 55. It just falls off a cliff, whereas in the Acura, or the
Sportage, dude.
Sportage, the Sportage had some more beans to go.
You're still a little flustered from your makeup
I
session,
do
aren't you?
not like kissing engine covers. You know what it tasted like, which was really weird?
What?
It tasted like hay. And then after that, the aftertaste was oil. I'm okay with the oil. The hay I hate.